Hey gang, sorry I've been AWOL for a few days. I'm back. I'm doing a set of press-ons for a client. We are using Bluebird, Boarding Pass, Minty, Tiffany and Wild Violet, which I switch up for or mix with Pixie Purple later. I've also got this gold leaf and I'm starting with Super Base, which is the Gel Perfection rubber base coat. There's some giggles in this video, there's some sneezing as well, if you're interested. That base coat was for a bit of extra strength. And that will have a full cure. And now we are taking Boarding Pass. Look at the opacity. It's amazing. So I'm doing one coat of that, and that will have a full cure as well. In the lab. I would get stuff done so much quicker if I wasn't watching things and laughing. I'm now popping the colours that we have onto a palette so that we can pick them up with our brush for the marble. And as I say, I mixed some
I've been thinking about this fucking bomb for 4 days. How many days it's been?
some Pixie Purple with the Wild Violet. This is a coat of base coat. I'm not curing it. I'm going to leave that wet and just running the colours through and just random squiggles. The purples I didn't like mix together. I just picked up a bit of both on my brush, and the doorbell's about to go, I think. Twas my parcel. I'm now using isopropyl alcohol. I've dipped my brush in. I haven't blocked the brush on the paper towel, so it's quite wet. Just touching all over the colours, letting them really disperse. I wanted to make it quite a wide marble. Is that? Yeah. I didn't want it to be too veiny. I didn't want it to be distracting from the blue. I want it mainly to be blue, which is what the client wanted. So just dispersing it quite a lot. It's pulled a bit round the side and the bottom corner there, so I'll spread that out, get rid of the fluff, and just wipe off where there's a bit of excess down in the bottom. Have I done that yet? I don't know. I'm not paying attention. I'm adding bits more. Wanted there to be a little bit of a vein there, but not so much that it was too harsh. So just added a bit more colour and then spread that out again with some IPA on my brush, which is prep solution, maybe some people call it. So that went in the lamp. You can't see much of the aqua colours now for some reason, but you could in real life. So that's been cured, and this is the gold leaf. Is it real gold leaf? I'ma say no. I don't know where it's from. It's been sat in my drawer for years. It's really, really lightweight. It's so thin that my allergies were bad that day, so I was living dangerously, because if I accidentally exhaled too violently, then it was all just going to blow everywhere. I'm just popping it on, aiming it sort of northeast to go with the sort of wave of the marble. Once you put it on, it's you can break it up into little pieces or leave big flakes, although it's not easy to pick off big flakes of it. It's definitely some seriously fiddly stuff, but it looks nice. And you can top it as long as you get it nice and flat. I managed to top it with just one coat of top coat that I floated on. If there are any bits sticking up, then you can just buff them and then top again. So I'm just doing some faffing here, not making a great difference with the faffing, but faffing all the same. Oh no!
it's gone. Woo! Close one. Do I want more? Am I getting carried away? I'm going to leave it at that.
So I'm just pressing down a bit more, making sure it's as flat as possible, and that will be topped with diamond gloss. I was working from a picture my client had sent me. I'm not sure who it's by, so I was trying to replicate that. I texted her and said, I think I might do these press-on nails, you know, I may as well. And she was like, yes, take my money. So she was really pleased with them. This is diamond gloss, of course, and that will be cured for a minute. And yeah, I'm just pointing out the aqua bits that you can't see very well on camera, but they are there. And then I took a picture of them, which I have here. And then I sent the picture to the client. She was really happy, and she's picking them up tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.